Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 18 of chapter Hydrocarbons. Which of the following is the most reactive towards ring nitration? Ring nitration towards ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೈಟ್ರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ನೈಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ benzene ring electron density should be more or high. Electron density ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are no any attached groups ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ that much reactive towards ring nitration compared to other options. Option B, toluene. Toluene is benzene ring attached to one CH3 group. One CH3 group ಜೊತೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is toluene. Here, since CH3 group is electron donating group, this is good electron donating group. So, if more methyl groups are present, electron density of the benzene ring will be more. So, activation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. More activate the ring. More the methyl group, more activate the ring. Sorry, M-xylene. M-xylene is nothing but 1,3-methylbenzene. Methyl is attached to 1 and 3rd position of benzene ring. This is M-xylene. Here, two substituent groups are attached. That is, methyl groups are attached. Illi, mesitylene is nothing but 1,3,5-methyl trimethyl benzene. 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene. M-xylene andre 1,3-dimethyl benzene. This is 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene. Here, more number of methyl groups are attached in mesitylene. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, option D is the correct answer. Mesitylene is correct answer. Option D. Thank you.